Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Larry's clamp. It's a model LD3600, 36-inch capacity. It's a board flattener. Really simple to operate. You basically have your safety here, and that's going to close your back. Then you pull this over. It's designed to use dual-handedly. That is going to flatten your board. And you simply release it. When you move that back, it's going to move the end. So basically, again, it's designed to use with both hands for safety. As you can see, that would flatten your board, and you basically just release. Really, really good condition. Nice clean clamp. It's not all flooded with glue. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.